institution is teaching on up-to-date information bibliography and latest technology processes. We're always teaching in the latest technology and the latest bibliography issued by the different courses.
Well, it's definitely crucial for universities and agents to meet because it's a process of exchanging knowledge and sharing resources. As universities, they bring their academic insights to the agents, while educational agents normally offer the market perspective from the region they represent, and it also enhances the communication for the future.
That's why NET24 is a really good helper in this way. And sometimes we do have that challenges as like the team in the university can be changed, or the team in recruitment company can be changed, but NET24 is always there and they know actually what everyone needs. So of course I would recommend it.
I am fully confident that we set the ground here for building for success, and thanks to the NET24. Thank you so much.